Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we will explore 6 important and most useful drawing information LISP routines. How you can find out your detailed drawing information with this LISP routine we will explore here. Okay, you can download these LISP routines for free, but for a limited period of time. Just check out the link below. So without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Smart object counts. Let this one, okay? Smart object count. Pick your LISP, drop in AutoCAD, okay? Maximize your full screen. So we will take detail object count. Type SOC. Just select all your entire drawing, okay? See what happens exactly. When I will enter, I will get detail count. Block this much, polyline, line, arc, circle, hatches, text, mtext, dimension, ellipse, spline. So I will get detail count as much as objects we have in the entire drawing. You will get in just one time. Entire selection total count. Number 2. Block counts. We will take this one, okay? Block count. Pick, drag and drop in AutoCAD your LISP, okay? Maximize your full screen. We will count entire block in one time. Type BLL, just select all and enter one time. See, you are getting detailed block inventory with name and count. This way you can check out your total block count separate and total also in just one time. Number 3. String counts. We'll take this one, okay? String count. Drag and drop in AutoCAD. Maximize your full screen. Type TXC. Select this entire plan. Okay. Just hit enter one time. See what you are getting. Text content, quantity and total item as much as string selection you have. Number 4. Layer length. We will take this one, okay? Layer length. Drag and drop in AutoCAD. The short key BLY, okay? What you do, just let this here, BLY. Just select your entire plan, okay? And enter one time. See what happens exactly. You are getting layer length. Your each length, how much in mm you are getting? One by one. Floor this much, leaf, plot line, sanitary, stair, wall, window. So you will get your entire length layer based. And in the last, if you see here, you will get total also. This way you can find out. You can check out your layer length, particularly layer wise. Number 5. Object's length. We'll take this one, okay? Object length. Drag and drop in AutoCAD. Maximize full screen. Type OBLB, okay? Just select your entire plan and hit enter. See what happens exactly. You will get object based length. Line this much length, polyline this much length and circle this much length. Means as much as your object you have, and you have to check out your object based total length. Line, polyline, circle, arc, whatever in just one time. Number 6. Length by color. We'll take this one. Length by color. Drag and drop in AutoCAD. Type L box, okay? And just select your entire plan and enter one time. See what happens exactly. You are getting color based length. Red color this much length, yellow color this much, blue, magenta, and color code based. More than 250 color in AutoCAD. So as much as color based total length you have, you will get each separate and total also. For example, you have draw color based entire drawing, okay? And you want to find out particularly color based, each length separate, and total also. This way you can find out. I hope you got these Lisp routines helpful. You can simply download. You can find the link in description. If you want to explore more than 200 plus advanced automation tasks, you are great welcome to download. You will get amazing insights over there. If you found this video helpful, must like, share and subscribe. If you have anywhere any doubt, must leave your comment as soon as possible. I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.